In this video, you are going to see how to remove the horizontal line from Google Docs very easily. So let's get started. Here you will see I have three types of horizontal line. I can apply three different methods. For the first method, here you will see I have a horizontal line. I can easily click on over here and I can easily select it. Let us select it by pressing the mouse and I can press the delete button. Then the horizontal line will be deleted. And here I have a different type horizontal line. If I want to click over here, this is not selected. Now let us double click over the line and press the delete button. Then it will be deleted. Here you will see there is another type of line, but I can select it by pressing double click or single click. So I have to apply another trick. Click under the line. Now go to format, go to paragraph and style, go to border and shading, and here you will see a border is added over here. Let us uncheck this option and go to border wide and make it 0 point and click on apply. Then the border will be removed. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.